Alright, this is a cold start of my 1985 Ford YT125. I haven't showed this video on YouTube yet, sorry for the wind noise. But it's my newer tractor. There's the old King there. I'm going to restore that soon. It's got 12-inch tires in the rear. Ordinary lawn tractor tires in the front. I'm going to do a cold start of this. It's got a 20 horse V-twin on it. Proof that it's cold. It's almost too cold to hold my hand on the pipe. Yeah, the choke's frozen. I forgot the keys. Alright, got the keys. Alright. Now the solenoid on this motor, on this tractor doesn't work. Go figure. So I have to use a head bolt to start it. The key's frozen. Huh. Alright, I'll have to take care of that for a second. Alright, good, that taken care of. It's so cold I just put that bolt down, it already froze to the seat. Alright. Choke. My choke's frozen. Alright. Okay, I failed to get the choke unstuck. Let's just hit it and see what happens. Dead battery. Uh-oh. The battery's dead. Choke's frozen. Transmission's frozen. Yeah, this is a fail. Well, consider this a guide on how to waste your time.